up, everybody? I'm your admin, Eddie here, and today I wanted to show you a really great deal that you might want to get your hands on too if you're into the world of slow pitch, or even if your daughter plays fast pitch, or if you have boys that play Little League. And the deal is actually on these cleats right here. So I want to pull this out, and I'll get right to the point. For those of you that don't know, there's a sports company out there called Boomba, and Boomba makes all kinds of gear. They make bags, they make pants, they make shirts, all sorts of apparel, protective gear. But if you want the best deal on cleats, this might be it. And this deal runs very, very frequently. In fact, during these winter months, October to, I'd probably say January or March, they have really, really great deals on cleats. So the first ones I want to show you here are actually some turf cleats that you can get your hands onto. And the best part about these cleats is these cleats were $14.99. That's right, $14.99. These particular ones here, these are actually my wife's cleats. These are the turf cleats that she decided to get her hands on. And if you look around, you'll actually probably see quite a few people wearing cleats like this. That's because this isn't a new sale. It's just a sale that's been going on for a very long time. These ones are actually the pink, which are pretty cute. They are incredibly comfortable. They have a lot of like little rebound spring sole down here. But when you look at the business end of them, these are the cleats that you actually have, and they're turf cleats. A lot of people wear these on grass, they wear them on dirt, and they get pretty ample traction. I tell people they're never going to give you traction of a real set of cleats, but they will give you a ton more traction than traditional shoes. And these are a great way to feel stable and to wear them all over the field. Plus, you could wear these on turfs. A lot of you people out there that have just started recently playing tournaments, if you play on turf fields, they want you to wear turfs only, which means they won't allow you to wear a traditional cleat, something like this, because you will tear up the field. So they want you to wear something like this, turfs. And like I said, for probably 80% of you, turfs are going to be more than enough for what you need to do. This was just a simple unboxing. I wanted to show you guys. Like I said, these are brand new, straight from Boomba. These are the female version here, and the male version is a little bit more expensive. These ones were $19.99. Ooh, big spender here, big spender. And here's the male versions here. So like I said, very, very similar design, just different colors. But like I said, the cleats are on the bottom. Now, if you're curious as to how well these work, let me tell you. I too am concerned about how long $15 cleats or $20 cleats will last. But I'll tell you that last February, I actually did this deal and I picked up a set of turf cleats and I wanted to show them to you. So these are the new ones that you have here. Here are the pink ones, of course, the wife's pink ones. But what I wanted to do is show you a set of turfs that I've had for, like I said, about 10 months from Boomba. Here they are right here. These are very much worn. I play 2 or 3 times a week, and I play at least one tournament a month, and these have been used everywhere, basically. These were $19.99. Like I said, they're Boombas, and here's how the bottoms have kind of held up over time. You can see that there's still some grip here. The reason I ordered new ones is I was starting to feel slippage. I must run on the outside of my feet because, as you can tell, these are incredibly worn on this side, and they're not worn at all on this side, which means my feet probably roll like this when I run a little bit, hence the reason I'm slipping just a bit. But when these were new, these were great. They actually held me in pretty good. They got plenty of traction on the bottom. I wasn't a huge fan of the look, but whatever. I don't care. They're cheap cleats, and like I said, if I get them muddy, dirty, it's not a big deal. The sole has held on, the glue has held on incredibly good. The only little bit of wear I have is right here from where my feet bends. You can kind of see there's a little crack forming here, but like I said, their cleats are about a year old. As far as what the inside looks like, the inside has held up really well. It's not folding over anything crazy. There's no holes back here. And as far as the insole still looks like it's in fairly decent shape. Now, if turf cleats aren't for you and you want traditional cleats, Boomba also has crazy good deals on traditional cleats. Here is a molded Boomba cleat that they have. I believe this one was $24.99. And this is your more traditional molded style cleat. Once again, same type of thing. This one feels just incredibly waterproof. These are, I mean, they got to be made of plastic. That's all I could think of. I mean, I'm sure if I look here, made in Dominican Republic. Hey, just like my cigars. But like I said, these are actually really good cleats as well. I haven't found the need to wear cleats like this because my turfs have actually been so good. And to be honest with you, I'm actually afraid of running in cleats and rolling my ankle a little bit. I'm not too terribly afraid that would happen, but like I said, they should sink and bite into the ground. But if they don't, that might happen. So we'll see. I'm saving these for when it rains. When it rains and it gets kind of nasty, muddy outside, I'm planning on wearing these. I went to a tournament a couple weeks ago. I brought these with me, but the weather was great, so wore the turfs. Anyways, just a quick video. If you're out there, you're looking for cleats, you're looking for turfs, you're looking to save a little bit of money, go check out Boomba. I'm going to go ahead and drop you a link. Don't sleep on these $14 cleats, $19 cleats. Even if you buy 2 pairs a year, you're going to get them. I will tell you, last expensive pair of cleats I bought were Nikes. I had them for about a year and they stunk so bad I wanted to burn them. So keep that in mind. Take it easy, shop good.